Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to superscript text starters in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I'll show that type superscript text in Google Sheets. Now, show the superscript text. Now, go to the Chrome browser from the new tab. Now, search from the Unicode from starter table. Now for click, then click for the Unicode table. Then search from the superscript. Superscript 2. Now copy from the superscript 2. Now going to the Google Sheets. Then paste from the superscript 2. Then again going to the Unicode format. Now search from the superscript 3. Now for click, then superscript 3 for now copy. Now going to the Google Sheets menu, then paste. That's it. Then I show the type superscript text starter in Google Sheets file is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for